Hi, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2015 15 plate 435D M Sport Coupe in Estoril Blue. So alongside the Estoril Blue exterior, you'll see we've fitted the car with a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. Further adding to the very nice exterior is a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloys with 4 brand new tyres. At the front you can see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, as well as being able to see it's been kept in very good condition. All is clean and tidy. We've got the BMW gloss black air breathers. We've added both satin side vinyls, sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Sitting behind those stunning alloys is a set of the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful two-door Coupe 4 Series is the full M Sport Plus package. You also get with that the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, and we shall have a look at the interior, which again for this two-door Coupe 4 Series is the full black Dakota leather. Both drivers and passengers can enjoy the heated seats, and they have got electric movement and memory for driver's side. We do of course have the Harman Kardon surround sound, an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course the superb intelligent X-Drive 4-wheel drive system, which on a day like today is certainly something you are going to want. We've got an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement in the rear, central folding armrest, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining. All of the interior is in great condition as well. Again, showing you off those fantastic 20-inch alloys, and of course those standout M Sport Plus brakes really do make a nice statement behind those incredible alloys. At the back we've opted to go for both the high gloss rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser. If it's your first time seeing a two-door Coupe 4 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with how large that boot space really is. You do also get split folding seats, so should you be planning on putting longer items in there, it's not a problem. Round on the driver's side, again we can show you that this vehicle has been kept in really great condition, and that Estoril Blue really does work nicely with the additions we've made, alongside of course being a real clean and tidy example. And we'll hop on board now and I'll just run yourself through a couple of this vehicle's major talking points and features. There you can see the memory controls for the driver's front seat, and we'll hop on inside now, where you can see there we do of course have the professional wide navigation and media screen. This does of course benefit from the business for two main reasons. Of course, having a larger screen is always a huge benefit. There is also a few more features enabled on there as well. Beginning with the sat nav, you can see there that's a really clear screen, and of course having that larger screen on a sat nav is always going to be of benefit. Bluetooth telephone and audio. We've also got DAB, as well as a good amount of multimedia inputs, including the music collection. External devices will cover you for your USB, AUX, and of course the Bluetooth audio we've already mentioned. You do also have a CD slot as well. Down here is the dual climate controls, along with the switches for these wonderful front heated seats. The car's covered just over 35,000 miles, which for of course the year of the car, just to make it a low mileage example, does come with the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, of course alongside the paddles for that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So there is a look around, again another fantastic example of a 435D M Sport two-door Coupe. I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around and of course been able to find it useful. Should you wish to get in touch to find out more about this vehicle, including all prices and of course funding options for the car, you'll find all of our contact information alongside website links down below. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch it, and we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Bye bye.